Yeah, welcome back to the channel. So this banger rally that I'm going on to Romania, I bought this S430 Mercedes V8. We've got a bit of problems with the screen wash and the wiper blades. So whenever I do the screen wash, it makes the window dirtier because, well, I think in the reservoir there's a lot of build up of slime and things like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to siphon all the liquid out. It's probably just water and bacteria, siphon all of that out, and then I'm going to put some drain cleaner in, fill it up with water, leave it for about half an hour. The drain cleaner will dissolve all the biofilm that's inside, and then I'll drain it again, and then I'll fill it up with clean water and screen wash, and then we should start getting clean windows and not spitting from the nozzles of the screen wash nozzles on the bonnet. So what I've got is I've got a siphon here. So put the siphon in here like this. These two pipes, that's part of the coolant system, so it heats up the wiper fluid so it doesn't freeze in the winter, which is really good design. And then just suck this so the water comes out. There we go. So now the water's coming out. You can even see the bits in there coming out here through this pipe. I'll move it around a bit. There, see the pipe? It's sucking all the bits out at the bottom of all that dirt. So this is a sink unblocker. This will get rid of all that sort of floaty, gross bio stuff inside the reservoir. So I've emptied the reservoir with the siphon. About half a litre of this stuff should do it. Okay, now we just need to fill it up with some water. So the reservoir holds 7 litres, so we're going to need a few of these. So what I'm doing is mixing it with the drain cleaner so it dilute it down. Oh, it doesn't look like we need to, but I want to get over this line, see? So the drain cleaner is eating away at that stuff. But we don't want to use this going through the screen wash because it might affect the paint and stuff like that. It doesn't really matter, I suppose, because it's a banger rally. So we'll do a few rounds with the screen wash. Let's see what happens. So these wiper blades have definitely seen better days, so I'm changing them with these. Let's hope they fit though, so let's not ruin the packets. So these universal blades are 610mm long. Recommended is 700, so they're 90 centimeters short, but they should be okay. The originals cost like 20 quid that fit the car, but they're broken, completely perished. I'm not spending 20 quid on that, so for a few quid I got these. I've got to take the adapter out and then just rag them in like that, and they're nice and tight so they shouldn't flop about. So we've got 7 litres of screen wash. Well, it's not screen wash, it is 7 litres of drain cleaner and water in the reservoir, and then we're just pressing the button every now and then and forcing it through the pipes, and then that cleans the headlights pipes and the screen wash pipes. Do the windows. So we're sort of rinsing that drain cleaner in water through the system, and so all the bacteria in the pipes and all the sludge and all that stuff gets cleaned out. But we're going to have to rinse it down afterwards because we want the paint to get dissolved. Do the headlights! And again! It gets a bit stuck, that one. There we go. Oh, it looks like we've run out of screen wash. So we've rinsed the system through already. Yeah, it's running a bit low, yeah? Okay. So we've got the hose pipe filling it up so we can properly rinse it through. The water's coming out a lot cleaner now, less bubbles. Do the headlights! And again! Wow. Yeah, there's still soap coming out the headlights. Keep going! So it's filling the screen wash back up to rinse it out, and all those bubbles coming out. So there's still some left in the system. Here. So this is the sort of stuff that was coming out, black gunk. So we're just rinsing the system, and some of the black gunk's coming out, but all the froth has stopped from the drain cleaner. So we're drain cleaner free at the moment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drain it again, and hopefully that will suck all the little bits out. We'll get that down to the bottom. There we go. So if I move this around, come here, look at that, see? It's the black stuff is getting sucked out nicely. All that biocide stuff is coming away. So that spring thing you see down the bottom is part of the cooling system. So heat passes through the pipe and stops the screen wash freezing in the pipes. It heats it up. Very good design. I'm very impressed. So this is concentrated screen wash. It says winter, 1 part screen wash, 2 parts water. So I'm going to stick in about 1 litre, maybe 2 litres, and then fill it up with water. We'll do it on a winter mix because I want it quite strong, not a summer mix. The summer mix was 1 part screen wash to 6 parts water. So I've stuck in about 3 litres of water. So 1 part screen wash, 2 parts water. You can stick in 6 litres of water, or it holds 7. So if we just fill it up, it's going to be stronger than a winter mix anyway. And then when it's full, we give it another blast through to clean the pipes out of all that drain cleaner that's stuck in the pipes. Okay, there you go, that's full. Just check the coolant when I'm here. That's full. Okay, right. Decent. Alright, so I got my helper. 13-year-old Def Laser boy. There we go. Go through a few times, rinse all that drain cleaner out of the pipes. Working nicely. There we go. So now we can see where we're going when we're driving to Romania in a rainstorm. See the link in the description for all our bits that we used. And don't forget to subscribe to this playlist to watch our progress as we drive down through and across Europe to Bucharest. 5-day banger rally, 2-ball rally. Thanks for liking, please like and subscribe.